Welcome back to Western New York Living. Okay, I know what you're thinking right now. If you've been outside this morning, or maybe you're looking out the window right now, it seems like weather finally changing to spring, and then summer is going to be here before you know it. If you're also thinking you're not ready for short season, maybe want to shed a few pounds, my next guest can help. Join us from the Ideal You Weight Loss Center, good friend Donna Herberger. Donna, good to see you.
Good to see you.
You know, I'm going to sing, okay? I've heard of the jingle.
Okay.
Healthy Rapid Weight Loss Center, right? That's on your jingle. What does that actually mean?
Healthy Rapid Weight Loss Center. We are healthy, it's rapid weight loss, and the center is the Ideal You Weight Loss Center. So healthy. Eat 4 cups of vegetables a day. Drink your water, 64 ounces a day or more, and protein. Protein is going to preserve and protect lean tissue and muscle because it's not about losing weight, it's about losing the fat.
Yeah, you and I were talking about this before. There's all that, oh, muscle weighs more than fat. Well, a pound of muscle and a pound of fat are both a pound. However, muscle takes up less space.
Less space.
And you have a great way to measure it, too.
Yes, we have a body composition analyzer, a computer that we use that people step on, and we input whether they're male or female, their age, their height, and whether they're standard or professional athletes. So unless you're a Buffalo Bill and you get paid to work out, everyone is standard. It breaks it down to your overall weight, what your muscle weighs, what your fat weighs, are you hydrated or dehydrated, and it tells you your metabolic age. So this woman, this tape that I'm looking at, she's 62, but her metabolic age is 47.
Wow, so 62 is the new 47.
47.
That's all, see, that's a great knowledge there. All right, we do like showing success stories here.
Yes, we do.
And we have a little video here from Joan, a success story here on how she was able to work through your program and be successful. Let's take a look.
Before Ideal You, I tried other weight loss programs that are out there. I never was able to maintain that weight. Honestly, this is not the first time I've lost 100 pounds. It's the first time I've kept it off. And that's impressive to me as well.
When we have people losing weight, especially if it's more than 40 or 50 pounds, a significant amount of weight, we break it down into 10% increments so that people can focus just on losing 10%, 20%, 30%. Tell us about that.
It's hard to visualize losing 110 pounds. But if you can break it down into 10% or even pounds, like every 10 pounds or every 15 pounds, something like that, it's an easier goal to achieve than trying to imagine achieving the whole goal. It's exciting at Ideal You. I mean, everybody gets excited about it. We ring a bell, everybody is hooping and hollering.
Right.
It's got to make, I know it made me feel much better about the whole process because I knew people were really caring about what I was doing.
Yes.
And they were really supporting me in my efforts.
When you're on our phase 1, no bread, no rice, no pasta, no potatoes, no fatty meats, no fried foods, limited, very limited dairy. You transition into maintenance. Has that affected how you now cook? Are there things that never came back just because you didn't want them?
There are a lot of things that never came back because I didn't want them. I don't eat a lot of fatty foods like bacon. I don't eat a lot of carbs any longer either. Very seldom do I have a slice of bread anymore. Big treat for us is on Fridays we have salmon with sweet potato fries in the air fryer.
In the air fryer?
Yes, and that's a big treat.
You're also one of our hostesses for our Wednesday night open houses. People looking to come in to get information, and maybe they think, well, that's great that you lost all that weight, Joan, but I can't do that, or I don't know if I can do that. What do you tell those people?
If I can do it, you can do it. I'm no different than anybody else. It's just a matter of will and how much do you want to lose it. And, you know, life is better thinner.
I like that, increments. That's important for success there. So somebody out there watching wants to get started, and 10%, how do they get started?
Go to our website, idealyou.com, sign up for an in-person or a virtual open house, fill out a few papers, and get started.
All right, and great stuff, Joan, to keep that off. The Ideal Weight Loss Center is your healthy, rapid weight loss center. They can help you meet your weight loss goals for this summer and fall, and most importantly, help you keep the weight off. They have 3 locations in our area, and Donna suggests you register for an upcoming virtual in-person open house to find out more about the program. And to find out more, it's easy. Go to their website, idealu.com, or 631-8446. Now, coming up next,